Hey friends! It's okay to ask for help. Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So much of our writing we do all by ourselves. It can honestly be a little bit isolating. We hold our stories really close. And when it's time to finally let other people in, it's terrifying. What if my beta readers don't connect with my characters? What if all of my friends are too busy to read over my query letter? What if my story just isn't good? Most of the time we are plagued with these thoughts that are not only unhelpful, but they're also really unhealthy. It's easier said than done, but remember to put yourself out there, especially in your writing communities. Because chances are the people that you're asking for help have been in the exact same situation that you have. Remember to lean on each other, help each other out when you can. So take a deep breath and don't be scared to ask for help. Subscribe to Writer's Atelier for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below and I will see you next week. Bye everyone!